How to remove your Facebook account from all of the other devices. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily remove all of your Facebook accounts from other devices. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you think that your Facebook account has been logged into some other devices and you want to remove it from there, then you just have to follow these simple steps. First thing first, open up the Facebook app and make sure that you're logged into the account from which you want to log out of all of your other devices. Now, once you are logged in, tap on the three dots icon at the top right to head over to your menu section. And on your menu, just head over to your settings. Once you tap on the settings icon, you'll land on the settings page. Now you'll just have to head over to your account center. If you tap on profiles, you'll see all of the profiles connected to your account center. And now you just have to scroll down until you see password and security. Just tap on it. And now you have an option under security checks to see where you are logged in. Just tap on this one and it will show you all of the devices where you are logged in. Now just tap on this one and from here, you will see all of these devices. All you have to do now is scroll down until you see select devices to log out from. Tap on select all and then tap on logout, and you will be logged out of all of the devices from Facebook except your original device or your main device. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next